Filmmaker Karan Johar has filed a legal petition in the Delhi High Court to safeguard his personality rights. The director is seeking to stop individuals from unlawfully selling merchandise bearing his name without his consent. Karan Johar's move comes after the Delhi High Court recently granted similar protection to actors Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. The court had previously restrained several websites and online platforms from using Abhishek's name and images for commercial purposes without his consent. The court's ruling was a major win for celebrity rights, acknowledging how important it is to protect one's name, image, and likeness. Justice Tejas Karia, who passed 10 September order, explained that these attributes are tied directly to the individual's professional work and reputation. Justice Karia said these attributes are linked to the plaintiff's professional work and associations in the course of his career. The unauthorized use of such attributes has the effect of diluting the goodwill and reputation associated with him. In Karan Johar's case, the Delhi HC is being asked to restrain those who are illegally using his name, images, or likeness for profit. This comes as part of the larger fight for personality rights, which protect individuals from unauthorized use of their public persona. The right to publicity, often referred to as personality rights, allows celebrities and public figures to protect, control, and profit from their image, name, or likeness. It's a vital right, especially in today's digital world, where technology like artificial intelligence can easily be used to create and sell fake merchandise. Just like in Abhishek Bachchan's case, where unauthorized platforms were using his image without permission, Karan Johar is now fighting to ensure that his goodwill and reputation aren't misused for someone else's commercial gain. This move by Karan Johar underscores how important it is for celebrities to protect their public persona and ensure their image and name are used ethically. With this legal action, Karan is making it clear that he won't tolerate any misuse of his identity. As the battle for personality rights continues, this case will surely set a precedent for how celebrity identities are protected in the digital age. We'll be keeping a close eye on this.